You have accessed the Payment Case Manager system for originating and receiving Record of Authorization, or ROA, requests. As a registered user, you are able to send a request as a guest RDFI to any member ODFI. By accessing the specific ROA request web address for the targeted ODFI, you will then be directed to enter the specific information for your ROA request. The request will then electronically be delivered to the ODFI, who will instruct the originating company to comply with your request and return the requested documentation to you. You will receive a notice that the proof of authorization has been delivered and be able to access it electronically using the login credentials provided. This short video will lead you through the process of creating ROA requests and viewing completed ROA requests. Let's get started. By authenticating and logging in, you will see the Welcome to Request for Authorization for an ODFI case. In this example, you are the guest RDFI. So click on New ODFI Case, and you'll be presented with a case data entry screen. You'll notice that the ODFI info is already selected. You clicked on that ODFI's URL, so we know who they are. And the RDFI information is already selected because you logged in, and so your information is already pre-filled in. So you will need to provide the company ID, which you can manually enter, or you can use the recent box to the right that shows previously used companies. You must also enter the individual name of the ACH recipient, the payment date of the ACH transaction, the SEC code of the ACH transaction, and the amount of the ACH transaction. Once this data entry is completed, click OK in the bottom right, and you will now see the Request for Authorization detail screen that shows all of the information in 4 columns for recipient, RDFI, ODFI, and the originating company. Now there's a comment box for you to add any comments that may be helpful to the originating company in locating the authorization you're requesting. And you can also click and add any attachments that may be helpful for them to find your authorization. If for any reason you need to save this authorization but you're not sending it to the ODFI, you can click on the Save button in the bottom right. Once all of the information has been entered and it's all correct, you're going to click on Send to ODFI. And now you'll see a new screen that's going to show this new case you just created plus any previous cases that were already in the dashboard. You'll note the status in the middle of the screen. You'll be able to track what is happening with your case. Once the originating company has supplied the requested authorization, the status will change to Closed, Proof Provided. By clicking on the proof icon on the far right, you will then be able to see the displayed document that was provided by the originating company. We hope that you'll find this system to be very streamlined in order for you to request ROA cases from financial institutions who are a member of the Payment Case Manager system. Thank you very much.